Hallo, herzlich willkommen. Ich bin Susanne. This video is for German learners at A2 level, and I will be explaining in English, though my examples will be in German. I received an email from a student today asking me, Susanne, please can you explain me what a dative verb is? So this is the topic of my video. What is a dative verb? So-called dative verbs are verbs that are requesting the receiver of a certain action to be in dative case. Let's go to an example here. Sie zeigt ihrem Freund die Landschaft. We have three elements. We have someone that is the subject, in this case, sie. What is she doing? She is showing something. What is she showing? Was? She's showing the landscape. And to whom is she showing it? To her friend or to her boyfriend? So who is the receiver of that action? It's the friend or the boyfriend. So he needs to be in dative case. Der Freund. Now it gets a little grammatical, der Freund in German. But if you turn it into dative, der becomes dem. So we have an em ending. Or ein becomes einem. Or ihr, like in this case, possessive articles are included, will then also have em endings. So ihrem. That is why we say, sie zeigt ihrem Freund die Landschaft. The receiver of the action, wem, to whom, is that element, must be in dative case. You can change sentence structure, no problem. You do not have to start with the subject. You have three elements. You can change those around. However, the verb needs to stay within a statement in second position. I can also say, Ihrem Freund zeigt sie die Landschaft. Oder die Landschaft zeigt sie ihrem Freund. We know he is the receiver of the action by putting him into the dative case, basically. Even though he may be in the beginning of the sentence, he's not necessarily the one that carries out the action. Let's have another look at another example. Ich danke meiner Großmutter für die Blumen. We have again three elements. I am the subject carrying out the action. I'm in nominative case. Wer. And then I have the thing that I'm doing is I say thank you. And who is the receiver of my thank you? It's my grandma. So my grandma is receiving the thank you for the flowers. For what? For the flowers. So let's focus on her. The grandma is the receiver of my thank you. Die Oma oder die Großmutter in German, female. So a single noun in dative case will then change into der, er ending, or mein to meiner, or ein to einer. So female singular in dative is er ending within the article or the definite, indefinite or possessive article. And you can see I'm saying meiner Großmutter, meiner Oma. Ich danke meiner Oma für die Blumen. So, third example. Er schreibt dem Mädchen eine Postkarte. Er is the subject. What is he doing? He's writing. To whom is he writing? So who is the receiver of what he is writing? He's writing a postcard, that is the what element, and the receiver is the girl. The girl is the receiver. So she needs to be in dative. Das Mädchen in German. Look it up in the dictionary. You find all the articles in the dictionary. And then you know Mädchen is neutral. And then the dative of neutral is just identical to the male dative form em. So das becomes dem, ein becomes einem, kein becomes keinem, sein becomes seinem, ihr becomes ihrem, and so on. So that is why we say schreibt dem Mädchen eine Postkarte. Again, you can change the elements around. Eine Postkarte schreibt dem Mädchen. Dem Mädchen schreibt eine Postkarte. As long as you have the verb in second position, that's important. And the receiver of the action needs to be in dative case. I know I may have explained it very fast, and there are many other dative verbs. For example, geben, zeigen, senden, schicken, and many other verbs. But the point is to show you that a dative verb means that you always have a receiver of the action that is carried out by a subject. And that receiver needs to be in dative case. If you have more questions, please put them underneath the video. I will answer all your questions. And if you have sample sentences that you would love to form and show me, I would love to see your sentences. Und ich hoffe, das Video war nützlich. I hope you liked the video and it made a little bit of sense. Bis bald, tschüss und auf Wiedersehen.